Railway station. The place where trains stop to carry passengers and goods is called a railway station. People can catch their respective trains from the railway stations. Railway station is full of passengers, workers, hawkers, and shopkeepers. Train tickets are booked at the railway station. There are waiting halls in railway stations where passengers can wait. In a railway station, there are different platforms where the scheduled train stops. Railway station is full of noise and hustles. In a railway station, you can hear the continuous announcements for different trains. People can find coolie, ticket collector, and railway police all around the railway station. Many railway stations are now electrified in India.